Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Guys, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. And guys, if you are a family, guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, what we're gonna see is that we're going to look for door flames, guys. So in this video, actually what we're gonna see is that we are going to a company, to a wooden company, guys, to really check what kind of doors they have and what kind of wooden flames that they can make for us. So guys, that's what we're gonna see. And guys, today, check it out. You don't believe who is gonna take us to the wooden company? Guys, it's Alhaji Burger. Alhaji Burger, the only burger that anytime you go to Kumasi, guys, this guy knows everything. Like he literally knows every corner in Kumasi, in and out of Kumasi, guys. He knows everything in Kumasi. So guys, today Alhaji Burger is gonna take us to a wooden company, and guys, he's gonna show us the different types of wood and different kind of doors. And guys, he's gonna really show us the names and the quality of the wood. And he's gonna really, you will see Alhaji Burger, man. You will see Alhaji Burger really showing us the doors and really taking us through the company and showing us different stuff, guys. So guys, in this video, that's what you're gonna see. We're gonna see that Alhaji Burger taking us to the Alhaji Burger 1. Alhaji Burger, the only burger where when they be watching. When you be Alhaji Burger, the only burger. I love this man. I really appreciate it. He really took me around when I was in Ghana. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed the ride. Alhaji Burger knows everything. I mean, ask around. When you ask for burger 1, that is Alhaji Burger. So guys, let's go and watch the video. And guys, what you're also gonna see in the video is that, guys, we're also going to install the wooden flames in the house. So guys, let's go and watch the video.
I know.
Yeah. And about the same.
What prices?
Maybe bye. Much.
I'm not trying on. I want polish head. I want this beer. Which we are. Yeah.
Come.
Then you know about you know. Sounds 25.
25. Maybe I'll be able to go meaning the IC.
What did you say? Down for Mata. Hey, boom,
I'm so proud of you say. Yeah. Oh, where do you want? Yeah.
How are you?
I'm very good, and you? And if you are here and you are watching and you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel so that anytime we upload new videos, you are the first person to know. Guys, thank you very much. And guys, please, also we want to know what you think about the video. Guys, leave a comment under the video. Guys, leave your comment right under the video so that we will know what you think. Let us know what you think about the house. Guys, let us know your thoughts. We will appreciate that. Let us know the kind of video you expect from us also, guys. What you think about the house, guys. It will be very nice that you know what you guys think. And if you are watching me right now and you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, subscribe to the channel. We love you. Subscribe, guys. Bye-bye.